How's it going today, guys? Charles from Water here, and it's Sunday. We're about to head to the boat show. Me, my girlfriend, Hunter and his girlfriend. But first of all, I filmed a bunch of stuff yesterday. I forgot to intro yesterday. So let's flash back to Saturday, and then we'll flash forward to now. So guys, what we're in right now is a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT with the center console. It's got 65,000 miles on it. The 5.3 Vortec, or the Ecotech as they call it now. So we're just gonna do a little test drive on it, see what it feels like, and we'll go from there. I'll do my usual thing.
Get up and go.
So yeah, we got 2015 guys, Z71 4x4, so it's got all the off-road goodies on it. Nice. I love the front end of these GMCs so much. Very nice, clean truck. We'll look at the interior here in a second, more close up. So. Driving around this back road. I mean, this truck is so daggum comfy. I mean, we got the heated seats on right now. We don't even have the heat on. We just have the heated seats on. And it's just so daggum comfy. It just needs window tint. I can't do this whole fishbowl thing. I can't do it. Hi, Cal. Okay. Hey, pretty good. Alright guys, we are back in Mexico for another round of shenanigans and whatnot. Actually, we're doing a video shoot today, so I don't know how much shenanigans are going to be. But we'll do a video shoot today and all that fun stuff, so it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. And the pond's really up. Good lord, and it's all murky and nasty. As you can see, we've got a hunter that wants to apparently... Okay. He's stuck! No, he's not. Oh,
wow.
You just dug a hole, son. That's why it pays to actually put your 4-low and have a locker. You didn't put it 4-low, did you? I had 4-high. Oh.
I should have put it 4-low.
His mom is gonna kill him. Digging up her grass. Oh shit, hell no. Hell nah. Yeah, I go over this thing. We actually jumped this in little 4-wheelers right here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's hilarious. Woo!
Can't really jump in your shrub.
Hell no. Let's go back on the asphalt now. All right, guys, it is my yearly 4-wheeling. Went on to some grass, so I'm good now.
shake it, baby. Let me see you shake it. shake it, baby. Let me see you shake it. Let me see you shake it, baby. Let me see you shake it. Let me see you shake it.
Alright guys, this is what we do at the car wash. Is Hunter dances to music and we film him, so I'm waiting on my spot to go in.
Let me see you shake it. Let me see you shake it. Let me see you shake it. Take your clothes off, get bucking naked.
Holy
I'm doing 60, and I still can't even catch up to him.
We've had so much rain the past month and a half that the dam is just constantly trying to dump out water so it doesn't overflow the dam and whatnot, creating a lot of, you know, hydroelectricity. But that's all flooding that place down there. It's absolutely freaking nuts. And like this week, or when you see this video this past week, Monday through Friday, we're supposed to have like, I think 5 to 7 inches of rain like a week. I know some places get a lot more than that, but for us in East Tennessee, that's a lot of rain. I haven't heard about that much in a very, very long time, on top of the other rain we've already gotten. So things might get a little dicey, guys. We might have a lot of flood videos coming up, so we'll see. Now that you all have seen what went on Saturday, right now we have gotten so much freaking rain, it's not even funny. So probably the rest of this video, I don't know what's gonna go on. I know the boat show, but then we got oh crap, the flooding and all that stuff. So of course we're bringing you content on that, but it's actually been nuts with the flooding. I mean, absolutely crazy. So we'll see where it goes. Well, boys and girls, as you can see, we got some major flooding going on. It's gonna be some fun. Plunge on in. Hell yeah, it's gotten deep. Damn. That was some crazy ass shit. Alright guys, so I've been thinking a lot lately about my next truck and what I'm gonna get and whatnot. And I do know one thing. My goal is to keep Ashley. I don't want to get rid of Ashley. It's been way too long with the channel. You know, you all know her, love her. You know, this was start of the channel, honestly. So I'm planning on keeping Ashley. My goal though is I want to get another truck. So even though this has got a brand new engine in it, I want to keep the mileage off her so I can modify her and not worry about it. The issue with that is, like, it's one of those things to where I know what trim level I want. Chevy I want a 2014 and 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1500. The Chevy one, you know, I want an LT package with the center console and the heated seats, or an LTZ or High Country. The GMC Sierra, I want the SLT or the Denali. My goal though is, yeah, I've driven the 5.3s, I love them. They're a great motor, they're freaking reliable as hell, you can't kill them. And they have so much history and modifications you can do to them. But I've driven a 6.2 before. And nothing beats that damn 6.2. That 6.2 will freaking get up and run, son. And so if I could find an LTZ 6.2 in my budget, I would totally get it. But you know, dealer incentives, they've got a lot of incentives now to get a brand new 2018 leftover. Like, we looked at one yesterday, I didn't film it though. We looked at one yesterday that was originally $50,000. It's an LT full 4-door, not like the little mini 4-door, the full 4-door red Z71 off-road with the center console and the heated seats. It was 50 grand. They marked it down to 39, and they were negotiable past that. I just couldn't afford it at the time because, or right now, because I'm in college. I'm trying to pay that off. So that's what's going on with that. But that's for all you that have been asking what's going on with like the truck search and whatnot. I'm probably not gonna get a diesel. If I find the right one, I might get it, but I probably won't get one because the sheer fact of just how much they cost, and I really don't need one right now. But more or less my route is going to be that right there, so we'll go from there. All right, guys, we are now heading to the boat show. We've got Babe, and Babe's Babe. Kick it out.
I feel like he's gonna suffocate. It's stressing me out. How do you... Oh, it's like roomy.
Look, there's a turd in there too.
You're lying.
Look, there's a little sink.
It smells nice.
It smells brand new.
It smells really...
It's tiny in here. Greg's boat has this. You guys didn't even know.
You're
Really?
lying.
Yeah.
It does not.
So we'll find a bigger boat that has a nice bathroom.
I think we found our boat, guys. So who wants to go in 4 ways on $60,000?
I'm gonna do that. It doesn't have a toilet.
Does it have a toilet? Does it have a toilet? Oh. But it's got the sun.
It has to have his toilet.
You have to have my toilet. We need to go find out.
But we have a place where we can lay in suntan.
This thing is really wide though.
Yeah, it is. And we can tube off of it.
It's got wipers. You think if I hit it, it'll turn them on?
Probably.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
So, Hunter, do we find our boat?
Yeah.
How much was it, Hunter?
A lot.
$284,000.
Hey, look, we could start the engine. The keys are in it.
Yeah, the keys are in the engine. So we just got done with the boat show, and it was a really good show. A lot of pontoon boats, a lot of boats that I could not believe the prices on it. Like, there was one was what, $280,000? But it was like a freaking yacht, pretty much. I mean, it was nice. But right now we're getting smoothies. There's Hunter in front of me. He made me go through a drive-through, which I do not.
Can't even fit in it.
Yeah. Look at him all smug like. What?
He looked like us.
Oh, all smug over there.